Hey there, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are going to check out the Hario V60 Fretta iced coffee maker. This iced coffee maker is a great purchase as we're coming into these summer months when hot coffee may sound a lot less appealing and something cold and icy is a really refreshing treat. This iced coffee maker in particular is really great because you can brew both hot and cold coffee with it, because this on top is just a simple plastic V60. So we have a plastic V60 on here. We have a plastic water distributor, so as the water trickles down, it evenly distributes across the ice. We have the plastic insert, and this is where the ice sets as it's brewing. And because of this, the coffee only stays in contact with the ice just long enough to cool it down and not long enough to water it down. There is a Hario glass server that has a 700 milliliter practical capacity and allows you to brew about 2 to 4 cups. It also comes with 40 V60 O2 size filters, and it comes with this convenient little lid to put on top when you're done with everything to pour. So in front of us right now, we have a bowl of ice, and we are going to set the water distributor, the V60, to the side, and we're going to scoop some ice into the plastic insert. You're going to want to fill it to where the cone spreads out and you kind of got a flat bed of ice right on the top, and that's about 250 grams. And then we are going to put the water distributor on and the V60. I already have the filter rinsed, so we're going to go into coffee. I have 31 grams right here, and it's a medium fine grind. And then we're going to pour 250 grams of water, and this is about a 1:8 ratio. All right, so now we're gonna get to pouring. We're gonna do an 80 gram bloom, which is about a third of the overall water. And as you can see, you can even hear the coffee coming down through the water. We're gonna let this go for about 45 seconds. All right, and now we're gonna do an 80 gram pour. And we're gonna let that go till about 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right, and now we're gonna do our last pour of 85 grams till we hit 250. Give that a twirl. All right, and that finishes up at around 3 minutes. It's probably a good idea to get something to place the ice insert into when you're done using it. And that made about 3 cups of coffee, of iced coffee. That's pretty good. You still get the flavor of the coffee from that. A few things to note about the Hario Fretta is that the server is dishwasher safe, which is really convenient. And the other parts, you can use a soft sponge and mild detergent. Pretty easy maintenance. So that is the Hario V60 Fretta iced coffee maker, and you can find it online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching.